If you're looking for a simple AI content idea to start making your own money this year, in this video, I have something for you. This type of videos is currently turning ordinary people to rich too, and it is the most simplest form of faceless content I have seen on it. Viewers love it because the content is value and make people rethink life, even though it's AI generated. Okay, let's see this one that I've created.
You think you have time? We all do. But time is a quiet thief. It doesn't warn you, it just leaves. So don't wait too long to love, to try, to begin again. That perfect moment you're waiting for, it's just courage wearing a disguise.
Honestly, I've learned something from this video and I know you are too. That's why people love it. Well, here is the most important question that people used to ask. Are these content monetized? Because what's the need of creating this content and at the end of the day, you are not monetized? So be with me as we find it out. So I'm going to copy the link and then go submit it to Social Blade. As you can see here, this channel is already earning. That means this one is monetized. But this one proof is not enough. Let's try another one. So I copy this other one. This is elder advice as well. And then I submit it to Social Blade. As you can see here, is also monetized. So that is to tell you that this content are monetized again. Yeah, it is not a low effort content because somebody need to write prompt, somebody need to edit these things, they need to put everything together. So it is never a low effort content. So in this video, I'm breaking down every step on how to create this kind of videos and start posting them on social media, maybe on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, whatever platform that you are used to, and get monetized immediately. No subscription, no pay through. Everything we are going to use here is completely free. So if you are ready, let's get started. Now look at this on YouTube. All these videos are AI generated. Like this particular one is about 7.5 million views. This one here got about 4.5 million views. We're going to use it for our reference. So we have to screenshot it. All you need to do is to search for sniping tool in your computer. But if you can't find it, you can use your phone to screenshot or snap. So I want to search for that and it shows up right here. And I want to click on new. I want to drag my mouse across the area I want to capture, and that is this image. After that is done, I want to release my mouse and it has been captured. All I have to do is to come up here and then click on this to save. Great, our screenshot has been saved. Now let's do the same here. We need this other one too. Screenshot and then save. Name it whatever it is and then save. Okay, we are done with that and we have images for our reference. Okay, here's the problem we need to treat right now. Because we are building on something that is already working, we need the script for reference. And since it is a YouTube short, there is no way we can get the script. I don't know if you have any idea on how we can get script from YouTube short. Let me know in the comments. The reason why we need this script is because we're going to submit it to ChatGPT or Claude so that it uses it as a reference to give us something similar. So all you need to do is to turn on the mic icon in ChatGPT or Claude and then play the video using your phone or your laptop. ChatGPT is going to capture the sound that is coming out from the video and then convert it to text. From there, you can use it as a reference for the script. But one thing I noticed is that you cannot use one device to do these two things. So it's either use your phone to play the video and then use ChatGPT from your laptop to capture the sound. Or you can search the internet for audio to text converter. There are many of them out there. Now, this is the prompt I added to the script. I'm going to leave it in the description or pin it in the comment section. I submit this to ChatGPT and it gave us 10 new scripts to start with. Now that we have our script for the first 10 videos, the next thing is to generate our AI influencer who will be saying what is in the script. We're using Flow in Labs Google FX. Since we've already fed ChatGPT with all the information about what we're going to do and the script, then we can simply come to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a prompt for our influencer. So I just want to type that in and then submit. As you can see here, ChatGPT has given us a prompt that will help us create an AI influencer. The prompt is actually in two sizes. We have the short and the long size. So now we have the prompt. We can simply come back to Flow. Let's start a project. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt and then paste it here and submit. Let's give it a little time to generate our images. you can see here, it has given us 2 realistic images to choose from. So this is one way you can actually create an influencer for your content. Another way is to submit the screenshot we took, right? Now we're going to come back to ChatGPT. This time around, we are going to use our reference image. So I simply tell ChatGPT that I have an image for reference, and then it asks me to upload and then click on submit. So based on the image I've given to ChatGPT, is going to use it to generate prompts that I will use for my influencer, right? As you can see here, the prompt is done. So I just want to copy this and then go back to Flow and submit the screenshot we took, and then give it a few seconds to generate our image. As you can see here, this look very alike, right? So here you can select and download the few ones you are going to use over time. After that, I need to come back to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a video prompt for our character. So I'm going to submit that, and then the job is done. So I will just edit this if I have to make any edits. Now I want to copy the text as well and put it here, write the speech, and then in bracket, I'll submit the text. All right, so that is done. Now I just want to copy this and then go back to Flow. Then here, I want to select the character I want to use and add it to the prompt. This one, I'll just click here and you see add to prompt right here. So click on that and it's going to be added to the prompt. And then I want to set my parameters, change this to video. Once that is done, paste the prompt and then submit. After a little time, our clip is generated. Let's listen to it.
You think you have time? We all do. But time is a quiet thief. It doesn't warn you, it just leaves.
Now I noticed that this one clip could not cover everything in the script because it is just 8 seconds. So what we need to do is to edit the prompt by removing what has been said in the first clip and then submit again. So it took me 3 clips to cover the script, and that is fine because we are using a free tool, right? That's great. Go ahead and download all the clips. And then the next step is to move all of them to CapCut. Let's set our frame ratio to 9:16. Okay, this is the second one. So let's add the third one here. Over here, I think this is the first one. Great, everything is set. Now you can trim out the unnecessary part, and after that, the next thing you want to do is to add your caption. You come over here, click on caption, click on caption template, choose the template that fits your video. I'll go for this and then click on generate. As you can see here, everything is done. If you come over to the side, you'll be able to edit the caption or change the font. For me, I want to change this to yellow, and that is done. I'll go ahead to export. Now, this is what you need to do. Immediately you hit your first 100 followers, maybe on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or even on YouTube. The next thing you want to do is to look for affiliate products. You can check out for affiliate products on Digistore24, ClickBank, and even Digistream. And I recommend tech, health, and beauty products because they always have good affiliate commissions. Don't sleep on this. Do it immediately to start making your money before the platform monetizes it. If this video is helpful to you, there are others who want to see it. So like and comment, even if it's a thank you, to help YouTube push it to many people. I'll see you again in the next video.